how to unsubscribe from the YouTube channel, that is, remove YouTube channel subscription. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open YouTube. Then you want to go to the search bar and search for the person or the YouTube channel that you want to unsubscribe to. Tap on the profile, and when you enter to the profile, you will see the first thing, subscription, that you subscribe to the channel or not. To unsubscribe, just tap on it, and in the bottom you can see unsubscribe. All you have to do is just tap on it, and if you're not sure about it, you can undo it as well. Now the other way that you can do it is tap on subscription on the very bottom line, that is just beside the plus sign. Here are all the updates of the channel that you subscribe. Tap on any one of them that you want to unsubscribe, and then tap on their profile and tap on subscribe. A pop-up will appear where you want to tap on unsubscribe. That is a very simple way on how to unsubscribe from YouTube channel. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.